Hello, Bethune second grade. This is Mr. Chick with another math lesson. We're working on standard OA3, odd and even numbers. Yesterday we worked on odd and even numbers. Today I'm going to teach you how to partner objects to see if the number is odd or even. Our I can statement is, I can determine whether a group of objects has an odd or even number of members, and I can write an equation to express an even number as a sum of two equal addends. Let's review our vocabulary words from yesterday. Even. Even. We remember that a number can be separated into two equal groups, and it's even. Like this group of circles, there are two groups and each one has three, so they're two equal groups. Also, when there's an even number of objects, each object will have a partner, like these stars. This one has a partner, this one has a partner, and this one has a partner. You notice that both of these numbers are 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 2, 2, 2. They're both 6. Odd. If a number can't be separated into two equal groups, then it's odd. Look at the stars. Two groups, but then there's somebody left out. And if you have a group of objects, then one object will not have a partner, like our stars. Partner, 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 no partner. Again, these are the same numbers. Two groups, 3, 3, 6, plus 1 is 7. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 7. Yesterday we looked at the numbers from 1 to 10 and we learned that some numbers are odd and some are even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember we separated the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we know that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd, and 0, 2, 4, and 6, and 8 are even. If we know that, we can use that information to determine whether any number is odd or even, no matter the size. But how in the world are we going to do that? Well, we're going to go back and remember our place value. So let's look at 15. And we'll make a little place value chart with 10s and 1s. Now if I put in 15, I have 1 10 and 5 1s. So we know 5 is an odd number because it doesn't have a partner. Remember that chart. Well, since 5 is an odd number, then the number 15 is an odd number. Because the digit in the ones place tells us what to do. If the digit in the ones place is odd, then the number is odd. "15 is an odd number." Let's try another one. 24. Again, we'll put up our place value chart. 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. So we're going to look at 4. We know 4 is an even number because it has partners. Each one of the stars has a partner, so it must be even. And since 4 is an even number, then the number 24 is an even number. Because if the digit in the ones place is even, then the number is even. And this works for any number, any time. 24 is an even number. So, let's look at our rules again. If the digit in the ones place is odd, then the number is odd. If the digit in the ones place is even, then the number is even. If we remember these rules about odd and even, we can determine whether any number is odd or even. It doesn't matter how big the number is. All we have to look at is the digit in the ones place. So you try some. We're going to see if these numbers are odd or even. You have 13, 20, and 37. Make sure you make a place value chart. And remember your rules. If the digit in the ones place is even, the number is even. If the digit in the ones place is odd, the number is odd. So you can use a sheet of paper and work on these numbers, and you can pause it while you work on this, and then we'll come back. How'd you do? Let's look at our first number, 13. You make a place value chart with 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. All right, so we look at the number in the ones place, 3. Well, 3, we know, is an odd number. And we know from our rules that if the digit in the ones place is odd, then the number is odd. So 13 is an odd number. Next one, 20. Same thing. Did you make tens and ones? 2 tens, 0 ones? Okay, 0 is an even number. And according to our rules, if the digit in the ones place is even, your number is even. So 20 is an even number. Even number. 37. The digit in the ones place is even, or the digit in the ones place is odd. Let's see. We have our place value chart, tens and ones. 3 tens, 7 ones. We're only concerned with the ones place. So we look at 7, which is an odd number. And our rule says if the digit in the ones place is odd, the number is odd. So 37 then is an odd number. An odd number. Awesome work. Remember, when you're trying to determine if a number is even or odd, just look at the digit in the ones place and that will tell you your answer. Tomorrow we're going to work some more on odd and even numbers. See you tomorrow.